You said borrowing to invest compounds risk. Since dollars are fungible, would investing while you don't have any debt be adding risk? Great question. So I thought a lot about the correct way to answer this because I've answered a number of ways before, but really, this would be my framework model to think about bringing on risk. And I personally, any opportunity I have to borrow fiat long term at a low rate and I can make sure I make the payments, I do it because I know the fiat is debasing by anywhere from 15 to 21%. And if you can borrow like 3%, it's 12 to 18% money in the bag per year. It's the best deal of the century. So I say yes when, and again, I don't give financial advice, but if you're putting me on the point here of the question, when the return on investment of the loan is high and the risk level of the investment is low. Think of an asymmetric bet like Bitcoin. That would fit that category. And when you can cover the servicing costs of the debt and no risk of default, even if the investment goes belly up. This is very important to stress here, everybody. Imagine you take on a loan for $100,000. Something happens in your life and you're no longer able to make the payments and it gets cold. That can wreck you and that can wreck your investment. So you need to make sure no matter what happens, you can make payments on that debt and still keep your asset, because the key next is the time. Point number 3, when you have a medium to long-term time frame, like 3 to 5 years, you should be good. And remember, when debasement far exceeds the cost of borrowing, you're good too. So for example, if the interest rates in the US went to 15% and the inflation was only truly like 7%, then you can make 7% just holding fiat. That's when you don't borrow. But if you can borrow and lock in a low rate for a long period, interest only, that's my favorite way to go.